Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build some wall-mounted bunk beds that are scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's start with a 6x8 plate for our base. Now let's place a 1x4 plate as well as three 1x3 plates. This is going to be a portion of the foundation for our wall. Now I want to fill in the remaining area with some flat tiles. Leave this area open. Let's start with the bottom row with a 1x1 brick. Now I want to take an inverted 1x3 slope, place it right here, followed by a 1x4 brick and another 1x3 inverted slope. And I want to wrap this around with a 1x2 brick and a 1x4 brick. Now in this area where we left open, let's set down a 1x4 brick. And we're going to raise the wall up by 2 more bricks. Let's proceed with the 4th row with a 1x1 brick. And we're going to take another 1x3 inverted slope, place it right above the previous, as well as a 1x4 brick and a 1x3 inverted slope, 1x2 brick, and a 1x4 brick to complete this layer. Let's build it up 3 more levels and a row of flat tiles. Now the flat tiles finish off the top of the wall nice. That keeps all the bricks locked together as well. Now let's assemble our beds. Let's start with a 2x6 plate for the bunk beds. On the right hand side, I want to start on this end and place down 5 1x3 flat tiles. I want to let these hang over by 1 stud towards the front. Now let's flip this over and place down 5 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow. We're just going to place this on the lip on the tiles. Now you can do this any color you wish. I decided just to use basic red. And place 2 2x3 plates in this area. Now notice on the left I skipped a row of studs. Press that down firm. Now let's flip this over. In this corner, a 1x1 flat tile and a 1x2 plate next to the tile. Now in this area, let's take another 1x1 brick with bow, place it right underneath, and a 1x2 by 2/3 slope for a pillow. Let's make 2 of these. Placing the bunk beds is pretty simple. We're going to start with the bottom bunk. You just want to press that down, slowly press it in. This should lock in onto the inverted slopes and the 1x4 brick. Same thing with the top bunk. This just rests on the 2 slopes. Just be sure to hold underneath if you can. Press that down firm. Make sure everything is locked in secure. There's our 2 bunk beds. Here we have JAYSTEPHER. As you can see, he kind of slides in on the bottom. Maybe his hair is too spiked up. He can also get on the top bunk as well. And this can be customized to your liking. You can integrate this into any building.